Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set indent paragraph in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the MS Word any kinds of files. So here we will go to the different bar sections where we will press the design, draw, layout. So in layout we will find the intentional things. What that is the indent. What is the indent? That means the meaning of indent. Indents mean from deep recess or notches in a line or the surface. So here if we first of all press the mouse click to address this, so we will define or indicate from this section. So here if we wanna do the left side, so left side we wanna do the 2, then press the enter. See, the 2-inch indent has been revealed with the show with the product or with the things or with the paragraph has been revealed this way. Now again we want to do the right things. The right things reveal what? From the right side the notches has been revealed. So if we press the 2, before that we have to define the mark out from this or click this. So to address this issue, something like this. So now write 2. So press the enter. See, from the right side the space has been revealed and the left side the space has been revealed. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.